Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the Sephora gift card to the Apple Wallet in 2026. So Sephora gift cards actually can't always be directly added to the Apple Wallet. Apple Wallet only supports the gift cards if the brand officially allows it through their application or the system. So if you don't see this type of add to Apple Wallet button, that's completely normal. So if you have received a digital Sephora gift card, you just have to open the email or the link. Now, when you are inside your email, you just have to look for this particular button that says Add to Apple Wallet. If it appears, you just have to simply tap on it and follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully add your Sephora gift card to the Apple Wallet. But if you are not able to find this particular option, you can just simply try this workaround. So since wallet support is limited, the most reliable way is to save the gift card code and the PIN. So you can use it during the checkout, whether online or in store. So at the checkout, simply enter the details or let the cashier scan it. You can open the Sephora application and then you can add the items to your card. After that, during the checkout, simply enter your gift card at the time of the payment and the card will stay saved in your account for future use as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.